The sun is peeking over the hill so bright. Binky the bunny wakes up in the light. He puts on his boots and a hat on his head. It's time for a trekking adventure, he said, with a backpack of snacks and a map in his hand. He meets all his friends, the best in the land. They march to the edge where the tall trees grow, ready to see what the jungle will show. Step, step, trekking along, singing our happy jungle song. Big green leaves and sky so blue. Who is hiding? We're looking for you. Listen closely. What do you hear? A jungle friend is drawing near. The tall one. The bushes rustle, the ground starts to shake. Listen to the sound that our first friend makes. Wait, friends, did you hear that long, loud horn? Who has a trunk and was awake since morn? It's the elephant waving a trunk so long, spraying some water and singing along. He stomps his feet, thump, thump, and gives the trekking team a playful song. Step, trekking along, singing our happy jungle song. Listen closely, what do you hear? A jungle friend is drawing near. Deep in the cave where the shadows are tall comes a golden friend, the bravest of all.
Whoa! What was that? Ixalati, my ears!
Oh my! That's a very big voice. He has a furry mane. Who is it? It's the Lion King with a golden coat, with a powerful song right from his throat. He's not scary, he's just saying hello as deeper into the jungle we go. Step, step, trekking along, singing our happy jungle song. Listen closely, what do you hear? A jungle friend is drawing. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Up in the branches, swinging so high, something is laughing up near the sky.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Look up, he's swinging by his tail and loves yellow bananas. Who is he? The monkey is doing a silly dance, taking a giant swinging chance. He tosses a leaf and he winks his eye as the trekking bunnies wave goodbye. Singing in the grass, no, that's not right. Listen to this growl hidden out of sight. He has orange fur and black stripes all over. He moves very quietly. Who is it? Tiger! The tiger is prowling through the bamboo, but he stops to say good morning to you. With soft velvet paws and a long, long tail, he follows the bunnies on the trekking trail. Step, step, trekking back home. No more reason for us to roam. We met the elephant, the lion, and the monkey too. The tiger was striped and the sky was blue. Binky the bunny is tired and sweet, resting his tiny trekking feet. Woot, woot, woot. The jungle is quiet, the stars start to peep. All the animals are going to sleep. Woot, woot, woot. Close your eyes, the trek is done. Tomorrow we'll have more jungle fun.
Good night, jungle. Good night, Binky. Subscribe Kidologics for more videos.